Okay. So if you remember, yesterday we saw an application called Learning, right?
Mm.
Where is this application went off? Okay, utility management. Fine. So yesterday we created learning and we created an which app? There is a object which we created, right? Mortgages, right? So now what I'm expecting here, I wanted to have a another field in mortgage. Generally I had two fields, account name, mortgage name and all this. I wanted to have another field called actual revenue. I wanted to have a another field called actual revenue. So if I want to create a new field, what to do? Just all you need to go to setup, because this is a custom object. Then you need to go to build, create, and then objects. Select the targeted object is mortgage, custom fields, new custom field, because this is a currency. So currency is the data type. Next, field name is actual income, and it cannot be like a 18. It should be somewhere like a 5. Next, visible to all. Next, here it is asking for a page layout. I'm adding to page layout. Save. Let's assume now we have that field created in a mortgage, right? We have that field created. But let me ask you, if I want to create a 10 fields, if I want to create a 10 fields, what is the best option to do? If we want to
Okay.
create a more than a multiple fields quickly, if we want to create a multiple fields quickly, we also have another option. We also have another option. Salesforce. Go to objects, create objects. You can see a schema builder. You can see a schema builder. Select the schema builder, clear all, select only that object what you wanted, mortgage, click on auto layout. Then now you can see elements. If I want to add another currency field, all I need to do a drag and drop. All I need to do a drag and drop. Actual income. Expected income. Expected income. Save. I can also add date time field. Which one is easy? This is little easy, right?
Okay.
But the only problem here is the whatever fields you're gonna create at a using schema builder, you can able to create a field, but field level security to a profile permissions and it page layout assignment you need to do it manually. Page layout assignment you need to do it manually. So I'm closing. If I go to mortgage, if I go to mortgage, I don't find those two fields like expected income and close date. The reason behind that, those two fields are not added to page layout. Those two fields are not added to page layout. Okay.
Oh.
Now I'll go to fields again. I'll go to fields, those two fields, expected income and close date are the two fields. First, I will create a field level security, visible, say, close, set field level security, visible, say. Now, if I go to page layout, if I go to page layouts, if I go to page layouts, now it will be available in available fields. It will be available in available fields. Let's see. Now I can place wherever I want it. It's an alignment perspective. So now I'm adjusting. Say fine. So how to create a multiple fields if you have the the right way to do multiple of fields is that a schema builder and check for each and every field is correctly placed in a objects. Okay, in a record types.
What else can be done through schema builder?
You can get object modeling mapping and you get to know what are the relationships between the objects easily and then just an adding an elements. It overall give a picture how the data model is done in Salesforce. Schemas builder. So it just you can get a relationship data, entity data, nothing big. And elements you can actually pull up. Elements is nothing but a data types, nothing but a custom fields, which you're going to create directly to that object. Just to build a object modeling. Just to build a object modeling. Now, let's say I have data. Consider I have a two team persons. Okay, I have two teams. One is sales and one is regional manager. One is sales and another is regional manager. Expected should only visible to regional manager and not a this boy. I mean sales team. Hello. Okay. So how to classify this? So generally Salesforce allows us to create two different types of views based on the record types. Two different of views based on the record type. Okay. What is view here? I mean my view in the sense the way the layout is structured, right? This is nothing but I'm talking about view. Having one field in the layout and removing another field from a layout. This type of things. Okay. The currently we are seeing one view. What is this view called? Edit layout. The one we are seeing in a edit mode or a new create mode, this layout is called edit layout. Okay. If I had a new record created, let's say mortgage name, rent home, UN, University of Arizona, active, open, interested, interested, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, save. So let's say, what is this called? This is called detailed view of a record. This is called detailed view of a record. Hello. This is called detailed view of a record. Hello.